Everyone understands that reopening schools is one of the biggest priorities the world is facing today. The question is, how do we do it safely? Current evidence suggests that COVID-19 spreads through contact with infected people via mouth and nose secretions. Therefore, if we could truly understand the physics of airflow and the resultant transport of airborne droplets, we could provide insights and suggestions for creating potentially safer classroom environments. By using Dassault Systèmes' computational fluid dynamics solutions, it becomes possible to determine where airborne droplets will travel, and thus what possible steps can be taken to lessen their impact. For example, masks. Most places still have indoor mask mandates, and these simulations clearly illustrate why that is. These results plainly show that mask usage reduces the spread of droplets from one student to another. But while these results speak for themselves, some schools do not require mask usage, and in other cases, students might keep masks off for too long after lunch, or make perfectly understandable mistakes. For these reasons, it's important that we also look for other ways to control droplet spread and potentially reduce risk. One way to do this is through ventilation. In a poorly ventilated classroom, droplets linger in the air, ultimately coming to land on furniture or other students. However, simulation clearly shows that ventilation, either achieved naturally through outside breezes or even more successfully through exhaust fans, leads to far fewer droplets remaining in the classroom, thereby likely lessening risk. Another strategy is through seating arrangements. By using engineering methods typically used to improve performance and behavior of products, it's possible to automatically create numerous classroom layouts, and then test those configurations to determine which ones provide the best possible situation to prevent students from potentially contaminating each other. Until this crisis ends, we will continue to need breakthroughs and innovations to get us back to where we once were. With Dassault Systèmes CFD solutions, we can provide help to whoever needs it in order to reduce exposure to airborne contaminants and get students back in schools safely.